Hey guys, good morning. So today is the day that my mates will be trying the chicken adobo that I made yesterday. So yeah, I'll film and see their reaction. So yeah.
Oh, okay.
What? I'm just vlogging. What are you having?
I'll be having this big.
Ooh, wow. Did you brought a lot of food right now?
Yeah, actually I was just getting late in the morning, so I thought.
What is it, like a curry?
Yeah.
Is it like a chicken or?
No, it's a beef.
Okay, and some roti, right?
Yeah, some roti. So guys, believe it or not, I have got it all the way from India. This is a dish made from my mom, made by my mom. So there's one of my friends was coming to UAE. So my mom thought better to give something to my son. So he gave this to me. I'm gonna have it with all my friends and Bella.
So this is how you do it, you guys. I need to like do this, dump my fingers and
Yes.
put some, I mean get some
Yeah. Have it all.
like fried rice? I think so.
No, it's good with the beef.
So this and
I'm done. I'm tired. I'm not giving anything.
This is pancake.
oh my god, it's so good.
It's nice.
Made by my mom.
Your mom is here.
She sent from India.
She sent the food from India.
Yes.
They sent the food from India.
Yeah. I'm not joking. One of my friends came to UAE day before yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, for real, man. I'm not joking.
From India.
From India.
All the way from India.
Wow, this is nice.
So this is the Filipino food.
This is for Sabah. Where is the? Oh,
That's my chicken adobo.
Fahad. Yeah. You want chicken?
Yes, chicken.
Mommy,
Chicken
mommy,
adobo.
I also need some food. Mommy.
Mommy, just you, just.
Bella, I like it. Can you come and dish for me?
Yeah.
Come and dish for me.
What is it?
Come and dish for me. Put.
Yeah, no, it's okay. You can get some.
Have it with this as well.
Who made this, bro?
Try the chicken adobo, Filipino
Who
food.
tried this? Who made this?
Me.
Well, should you? Why?
Yeah. Come on, try. It's hot.
You don't like spice? I like it.
Sammy, where's your plate?
How's it? Ray, how is it? It's good.
No.
No, I'm next.
It's hot.
Have you tried it,
How's it?
Omar?
How's it?
The chicken adobo?
Omar, how's it?
I really love the comment.
Code what?
Chicken adobo. Try the chicken adobo.
The match is already over. That's a foul.
Where's the others? Alan, come on, join us. Let's eat.
It's people like you, we want
Yeah.
to in our community.
Chicken.
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Take the whole thing, bro.
Flora, where are you? Come on, have some chicken adobo. How is it, Omar? The chicken, it's good? Filipino food, right?
Perfect.
Thank you. Hey guys, let's eat. So I'm having the white rice as usual. Is it white?
I told you. This is our fucking
And I'll have the chicken adobo.
the real fucking ketchup.
But it's hot
It's
as
hot.
fuck.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, chicken adobo. Try.
That's adobo.
Bella,
Yeah, I didn't make pork because some people are not eating pork. So
Thank you
could
for
you
that.
keep some?
yeah, no, I haven't. Can you?
I haven't
Yeah.
either. I'm just taking this one.
That's like chicken adobo.
I'm taking this one. Can you keep some?
Kay sa kanya, kay
This one is
Sammy.
not paratha, right?
Yeah, that's paratha.
Roti.
Oh, roti.
Roti.
like Indian food.
It's done. Oh my fucking
It's crazy.
I told you. Yeah, water. What do you want?
You guys are...
You guys want some milk?
No.
How's it, Tino?
Alright, it's good.
How about you, Joseph? Sammy?
Yeah, it's nice. As Bella is.
The social experience.
It's good, right? The adobo. That's the
I
adobo.
didn't taste the adobo.
Why? How come? Let me try one.
So this is the adobo sauce, yeah?
Yeah.
Because if I cook the jollof, it's more money. If
Mm-hmm.
I cook the jollof, it's more money. And this is more money, and I don't have money. So how much I spend on this? How much I spend?
Like how much?
We should just buy groceries, you keep them at your place, then you cook.
Cook and I bring it to work.
Yeah.
You see, that's why I didn't make the jollof. I didn't have enough money because the chicken and stuff.
We'll pay you $5 for one plate.
Yeah.
No, we buy the groceries to bring the food.
Oh.
Not
I
like
don't mind
you
cooking
make
and bring the food for 5 grams. 5, 10, 15. Yeah.
Oh, no, as in your groceries,
You
yeah?
can start a business over here.
Enough. And I'll be changing it. Jollof, fried rice, maybe some meat. Different fried fish and plantain. Fufu, most people don't know.
I want to try.
You want to try? See, they want to try. Okay.
I don't know what it is. There are many types of fufu. You have corn fufu, you have semolina, you have
Yeah, that's what I
masala
told them
fufu, you
yesterday.
have gari fufu. There are many types. You have flour fufu.
Yeah.
There are so many types of fufu.
Where's the other people?
And the thing is, my pot, I don't have big pot. Yesterday I have to go and take the big pot from my neighbor.
Okay, this time around you also go and make the biggest one. And cook it inside.
I like this chicken.
Oh.
Yeah, I vlog it so you can see it.
Step by step, you
Yeah.
After 5 times they try to store it, right?
You want to do it again next week?
Post every week.
You should cook. You should cook this time, Tino.
I can't
Where
cook.
you from? Where you
Zimbabwe.
from? Zimbabwe.
I can't cook.
Where you from?
Gambia.
Where you from?
I'm from Cameroon.
Cameroon.
You know the men cook fantastic.
Where you from? Richard? Nigeria.
Yeah.
Where you from? Dakar?
Algeria.
Algeria. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
And there's Filipinos. So that was it, you guys. I didn't expect it, and some people love the food that we brought here in the office, and yeah. So I'm just gonna chill and enjoy my lunch for today. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Hey guys, what is up? So in today's video, magluluto ako ng chicken adobo. Medyo minarinate ko na rin siya sa soy sauce. Dahil, ayun, para mas malasa siya. And I have the soy sauce and vinegar and garlic and some chili.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. 'Cause I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Italy would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth.
So guys, I think it's time na i-check natin yung aking niluluto. So, I set it in 10 minutes. By the way, I already put the vinegar, so hindi ko siya na ilagay sa vlog. But this is how it is looking. So, I'll keep it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes and it's done. Look at that chicken adobo. I hope everyone would love it.